Lake. Uniquely private 5-acre lake / one of a kind / bring your canoe and fishing pole. Check out this unique 2-acre lake property sitting on a large 5-acre lake with full access with year-round long-range mountain views, no restrictions, and room for a dock. There is a 2-bedroom septic already installed and a 200-feet driveway already cut in from Sparks Road, paved access, to your new private home site, a great spot to do some fishing, canoeing or just relaxing. Part-time homeowner shares the lake access from the opposite side. Virtually private and unencumbered. The lot has a level, gentle terrain for a perfect lake house setting, with no worries of steep driveways or build site issues. It is accessible off the paved road and centrally located between the Georgia mountain towns of Blue Ridge and Blairsville. Very close to Lake Blue Ridge, Lake Nottely, and the Toccoa River. 3 minutes off